Well, hello everybody. Construction has started back at the Burger King site in Ozark, Missouri. Today is July the 18th. The year is 2025. And as you can see in the pictures and videos, they're pouring concrete. Evidently there was no foundation underneath this part right here. So this is what they're working on. He's got dowels down there. Somebody that was a third-party inspection, people come out and made them pull all the rebar out and not to pour it. Wants them to put dry mix kind of down in the bottom, maybe up 1.5 feet, 2 foot, and then come up from there. It's hard to tell what they're going to do, but you can see some part of the old foundation, maybe, I don't know. And this piece here is subject to be the old foundation. And you can see that notch. Well, while I'm out here, I'm going to take some video.
Well, if I remember right, when we over excavated, so they were having all kinds of cave in, I think the footing was just wider than it needed to be. Yeah. Just need to confirm that every structure with before we get that far into it.
Right, no, I get it.
You got a set in the trailer somewhere? It's in one of these containers. My boss.
Construction update. New Burger King coming to Ozark, Missouri. Not so exciting news for Ozark, Missouri. Updated timeline footer pour, January 2nd, 2025. The foundation footer for the Burger King was poured on January 2nd, 2025. Weather data confirms a high of 47 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 30 degrees Fahrenheit that night, with lows remaining below freezing, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, for the next 5 days, January 3rd to 7th, 27 degrees Fahrenheit, 27 degrees Fahrenheit, 17 degrees Fahrenheit, 13 degrees Fahrenheit, 16 degrees Fahrenheit. Highs on January 3rd, 41 degrees Fahrenheit, and January 4th, 35 degrees Fahrenheit, were above freezing, but January 5th to 7th had highs of 34 degrees Fahrenheit, 17 degrees Fahrenheit, and 27 degrees Fahrenheit, near or below freezing. No protective measures, example blankets, were used, exposing the concrete to freezing conditions during its critical early curing phase. This video is presented for historical documentation of construction challenges by Huggins, historical videographer and photographer.